Guys, we're gonna take frozen broccoli and transform it into a delicious side dish. Hey, I'm Lauren. On this channel, I share lots of family-friendly recipes. So if that's your thing, hit that red subscribe button. We can cook together a couple times a week. This recipe for roasted frozen broccoli surged because, well, my daughter loves broccoli, but she got tired of plain steamed broccoli. So what I'm doing is I've got my oven preheating, and I'm gonna take that same bag that you normally steam, put it in a baking sheet. You wanna make sure that you don't crowd the sheet pan, meaning there's enough room between the broccoli pieces so they can cook and crisp up. So to this frozen broccoli, I'm gonna take olive oil. Just like when we're roasting veggies, olive oil gives them that nice, delicious flavor. You can take the olive oil and drizzle it over the top. Or if you have one of these olive oil sprayers, you can spray olive oil over the tops. Up next, seasoning. Now, you can put salt and pepper, and that alone is a step up from steamed broccoli. But we want to make our roasted broccoli so much better. And here I have what I call is fairy dust for vegetables, or my vegetable seasoning. You'll take this roasted vegetable seasoning or your favorite seasoning and sprinkle it right over the top. You can also make these spicier by using Cajun seasoning, Creole seasoning, blackened seasoning. Really, it all goes. Seasoning is what gives our food flavor, so a little bit goes a long way, and it has the power to transform things like broccoli from plain to great. So in the oven it goes. Roast it at 450 in the preheated oven for about 20 minutes. You know it's ready when you take a peek in the oven and the edges are nice and crispy, all roasted. Let's take it out and check it out. We've got little charred edges, crispy broccoli, nice and tender, perfectly cooked, well seasoned. Not bad for frozen broccoli. Check the details right below the video, and see you next time.